Looking for a healthy and flavorful fusion dish this Christmas? Allow me to introduce you to a delightful culinary creation. Tandoori turkey with rosemary naan and raita. This dish is not just a feast for your taste buds, it's also a health-conscious version of the classic holiday turkey. It's a perfect harmony of East meets West, where the aromatic spices of tandoori fuse with the traditional festive turkey, served alongside flavorful rosemary naan and refreshing raita. But this isn't just about great taste. The lean protein from the turkey, the fiber from the whole wheat naan, the low-fat Greek yogurt in the marinade and raita, and the antioxidant-rich spices all contribute to making this a nutritious choice for your festive meal. So, if you're ready to explore a new take on your holiday feast that's both delicious and nourishing, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we cook up this healthy and delicious feast. The heart of this dish lies in the tandoori marinade. To create this flavor-packed mixture, we start with 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Opt for low-fat or non-fat for a healthier choice. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and a teaspoon of garam masala. These ingredients not only enhance the flavor but also have digestive benefits. Our spice journey continues with half a teaspoon each of tandoori powder, paprika, turmeric, and ground cumin. These spices are not just for taste, they also have anti-inflammatory properties. We then add a 1/4 teaspoon each of saffron and black pepper. The final touch? A teaspoon of honey for a hint of sweetness. If you prefer, you can use a natural sweetener like stevia. And of course, add salt to taste. Now mix all the ingredients together to form our marinade. Now that we've prepared our marinade, it's time to let the turkey soak up all these amazing flavors. With our turkey marinated, it's time to roast it to perfection. The secret here is to ensure the oven is preheated to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. If you're using a traditional clay oven, make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions. Now, place the turkey breast side up on a roasting rack. Remember, we're going for a leaner cut here, which not only reduces the calorie intake, but also cooks faster and absorbs the flavors of our tandoori marinade beautifully. Roast the turkey for about 2 to 2.5 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Don't forget to baste the turkey with any leftover marinade occasionally. This ensures the turkey stays moist and flavorful throughout the roasting process. While our turkey is roasting, let's prepare the rest of our feast. Our rosemary naan is a healthy and flavorful alternative to traditional bread. This is not your everyday naan, but one that's uniquely aromatic and wholesome. Let's dive right in. We begin with 2 cups of whole wheat flour. Whole grains are a nutritional powerhouse packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They also release energy slowly, keeping you satiated for longer and preventing those pesky hunger pangs. To our flour, we add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, half a teaspoon of sugar, and half a cup of warm water, around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This mixture is our ticket to a soft, puffy naan. Let this concoction sit for about 5 minutes until it turns foamy. In the meantime, in another bowl, let's whisk together our other ingredients. A 1/4 cup of plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of chopped fresh rosemary, and salt to taste. Olive oil is a heart-friendly fat, known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to help lower bad cholesterol levels. Rosemary, besides lending a distinctive flavor, is a rich source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help boost the immune system and improve blood circulation. Now let's bring it all together. Combine the yeast mixture with the flour mix and knead until a soft dough forms. Once that's done, cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place for about an hour. Then, it's time to shape our naan. Divide the dough into 4 equal portions and roll each into a flatbread shape about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Preheat a griddle or frying pan over medium heat and cook the naan for 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until it turns a gorgeous golden brown. And there you have it, a batch of fresh, homemade rosemary naan, ready to be devoured. Each bite promises a blend of earthy rosemary, the tang of Greek yogurt, and the subtle crunch of perfectly cooked whole wheat flour. With our naan ready, let's move on to the final component of our dish. Our raita is a refreshing and healthy side dish. To prepare it, we start with a cup of plain Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a fantastic source of protein and calcium, and it's low in fat, making it a wonderful base for our raita. Next, we add in half a finely chopped cucumber. Cucumbers are not only hydrating, but they also bring a wealth of vitamins and minerals to our dish. We'll also include a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped mint. Mint is a fantastic digestive aid and adds a beautiful aroma to our raita. To season, we'll sprinkle in half a teaspoon of black salt and a pinch of cumin, though the cumin is optional. We give it all a good stir, and voila, our raita is ready. It's a cooling and nutritious accompaniment to our spicy tandoori turkey and rosemary naan. With our raita ready, our healthy Christmas feast is complete. So, there you have it, a healthy and flavorful fusion dish for Christmas. Our tandoori turkey with rosemary naan and raita is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a boon for your health. The turkey, being a wonderful source of lean protein, aids in the building and repair of tissues. The rosemary naan, made from whole wheat flour, provides you with essential fiber and complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Then, there's the raita, a refreshing amalgamation of cucumber and mint, providing necessary vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's not forget the spices like turmeric and cumin, which offer anti-inflammatory benefits. This is a dish that truly marries taste with health, proving that healthy food can indeed be delicious. So this Christmas, let's delight our taste buds without compromising on our health. Enjoy this delicious and healthy Christmas feast with your loved ones.